How to use email marketing to sell your product. If you want an expanded network but don't know how to achieve it, watch this video. Many people have trouble finding ways to add the right people to email lists, so make sure to use the following video to do exactly that. When following up to your customers via email, you could try following up with some kind of reminder. For example, you could add a Visit Today button onto your ad. In addition, the closing of the postscript could inform your customers to make sure they do not disregard the CTO. If you want your email marketing messages to get to the right inboxes, target anyone whom you send to. If you already have a core set of fans or followers, offer discounts or promotions to those who get friends to show up. Anyone curious in your products and services probably has known others with similar interests, which mean you can organically grow your list through existing social relationships. The easier it is to subscribe to your email newsletter, the more subscribers you will have. If you have a physical store, ask your customers for their email address when they make a purchase. If you sell on a website, ask them for their address when they are ready to check out. Fill your marketing emails with helpful information, don't simply load them up with sales pitches. Include videos and information for your subscribers which is not available on your website. Also include exclusive offers on your services or products. Send out emails with special offers and information. Not every email should be trying to sell something. With the information you have learned, you have armed yourself with the right tools at your disposal to understand the basics of a successful email marketing strategy. Ensure that you have absorbed everything this video has to offer. If this means reviewing the video from time to time, that's no problem. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.